Skilled factory technology workers are in high demand. They are needed and instrumental to the success of companies within numerous industries in many different varying sectors worldwide. The idea of automation replacing the work of all real human factory workers within even 100 years is just that, an idea. Without them, these underlying multinational companies we mentioned, and even ones that operate in only one single country for that matter, just simply wouldn't execute as closely to the capacities in which they do now, not remotely. Forever need and appreciate skilled factory technology workers.